Excuse me nga.
From?
Like, feel the thing like
Wait, kailangan na mag-download ng the app. Or I'll Google Drive it.
What's up, Philippines? And what's up, world? There's nothing in this world like the Philippines. Hi everybody, have you watched as of now? Kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung ano, panoodin nyo. Dahil munti ka na akong matunda. Ang dulas kasi ng sapatos ko.
Okay.
Hindi ka na.
Hindi ko na ako matunda.
Parang Barbie ang atake.
Ay, baka sabi.
Yes.
Kailan yun? Baka
Yes.
Diba, basa tapos baby wipes. Pag ano na lang, be?
Google Drive ko.
Pwede mo pag ganyan na lang. Basa siya, be. Baka maano yung phone mo.
Ay, mapupost ko. Or i-post ko
I'm sorry if may mali ako. Hello. I'm sorry talaga. I've tried my best. Kasi yung practice namin doon, or yung practice ng BGM doon, ano lang, 1 day lang. Before going pa yun sa, before going pa yun sa ano, nag-practice kami noon. Bago pa kami pumunta ng Malaysia. Imagine yun. I'll make bawi. I'm sorry, y'all. I'll make bawi.
Yes. Thank you.
Hello po, I respect both sides po. If you don't mind. I'll make bawi sa next ASAP.
For photos.
Like real.
Meron siyang app na i-connect.
I'll make bawi talaga.
Para mamili.
Yan.
Bye. Thank you. I'll see you tomorrow. Love you.
Anong gamit mong pimple patch? I'm not allowed to say the brand. Because it's not my endorsement.
Where did I send this?
Pero yun yung favorite kong brand. My pimple patch. Wala tayong pahiga. Pero at least, naitawid ang asap. But yeah, I'm sorry y'all if may mali.
You go ahead.
I really did my best.
You should.
Hello, Fiong. Hello po.
Kunin mo na. Huwag ka naman Fujifilm. Yeah.
Uy, magaling talaga si Jazz. Yes. And huwag kayong mag-compare everybody, you all. Huwag kayong mag-compare, that's bad.
Ang ganda ng filter.
Lahat magaling, lahat.
Pero sabi kasi,
No.
nakita rin kasi ako na pwedeng mag-insert ang
Where are you now? ABS.
Oo, kailangan lang magaling mag-ML. Hindi ako magaling mag-ML.
Mag-end live na ako. Bye-bye. Nag-sorry lang ako. Bye-bye.
Kailangan lang magaling.
I'll make bawi sa next ASAP ko. Promise.